Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up automation anywhere with AI document extraction workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up automation anywhere with AI document extraction workflows, start by once logged in, navigate to the My Bots section. Next, click on the Create button to start a new project. Select TaskBot as the type of bot you want to create. Enter a name for your bot in the provided field. Click Create to open the TaskBot editor. Now, find the AI Center option on the left sidebar and click on it. In the AI Center, select the Pre-trained Models tab. Look for the Document Understanding model and click on it. Once the model page opens, click on the Train button. Upload a sample document for training the model. Follow the prompts to label the data within your document. After labeling, click Train Model to start the training process. Once the training is complete, document the model ID for later use. Return to the TaskBot editor to integrate the AI model. Drag and drop the Get Document Data action from the toolbox onto the workspace. In the action properties, input your previously noted model ID. Configure the document input settings to specify the source of your documents. Select the output fields where you want to store the extracted data. Next, incorporate any necessary logic to handle the extracted information. This may include conditional statements or data validations. Save your TaskBot regularly to avoid losing progress. To test your workflow, return to the main editor and select Run from the menu. Monitor the execution to ensure that document extraction occurs as expected. Review the output to verify that the data has been extracted accurately. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. Finally, deploy your TaskBot by selecting Publish from the options. Your Automation Anywhere setup for AI document extraction workflows is now complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.